Hey, 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 my friends, it's time for another session of Mini Madness. This is all thanks to you all. I am taking a tiny bit of money from my latest Etsy payout that I'm getting today, which will be in my account tomorrow. So yeah, thank you so much for all of your support. This video would not be possible without you. And I just really appreciate all of your support of my Etsy shop, you know, all the time. So thank you. Also, I'm having another Etsy launch before I go away. I'm hoping to film that video today. If I'm waiting on something in the mail, if it comes in at a reasonable time, then, you know, I can film it today. If not, I will film it tomorrow. So the Etsy launch should air Wednesday. That would be the 13th, I think. The 12th, June 12th, Wednesday. So look out for that. It'll be a pretty small launch, but still, I'm excited about it, especially because I didn't think I was going to be able to have another Etsy launch before I went away. So yes. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the money. And we'll talk about what we're doing today. So let's see. Okay, so my Etsy payout today was $582. So again, thank you so much. Putting $75 to taxes, $467 to my Verizon card, and $40 to Mini Madness. Now, I had said in the last Mini Madness that my card was almost paid off from some spending, but I had to pay for the appraisal on our new house. So that was $600, and I decided to just try to pay it off with some Etsy money, and so that is what I'm doing. So obviously that is not covering the entire amount, but, you know, it's definitely a big help. So I really want to get this card paid off so I could start doing side hustle stuffings again, but for now, you know, the Mini Madness is just fine for me. So $40, that is what this should be. So let's go ahead and set this aside, and I'm just realizing I have to actually add this into my taxes in my binder, but I'll just probably do that off camera, especially since I have to do a lot of unstuffing, you guys. The money that I had to take out for the house down payment as well as the inspection, I have to unstuff a lot. So probably some of the tax money is going to come out, most likely. So we'll see. I'm going to add the 75 probably off camera, and then I will definitely record the unstuffing. I do need to do a sinking funds total, so I'm going to do the unstuffing in that video. So yeah, look out for that. That'll be coming, I guess, probably next week, because I have this video today. I have an Etsy launch and then a cash stuffing. So probably next week that video will come. All right, so this should be 40. Oh, you know what? I think I only got 30 out. Maybe not. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Okay, perfect. I'm a little bit all over the place, frantically trying to get this video filmed because it is 2:31 p.m. and I usually publish my videos at 3:30, so I'm trying to get this filmed, edited, and out to you by 3:30. If not, it may be a little late, which is fine. This is also $40. It's just this money here condensed because I'm going to put this in the envelope, not this. If you've been here before, you know the drill, but if not, I use the smaller bills to do the challenges just to keep track of where I'm at with things. To like basically keep track of how much money I have left. It's just easier that way, and then I'll just condense it at the end. So hopefully all that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get into it. So 10-sided die. This sugary sweet binder is available in my Etsy shop. It has 10 challenges in here. I am working on, you know, doing the entire binder, and I'm excited to make some more progress today. So 10-sided die. And we are starting with number 1. So challenge number 1, you roll a 6-sided die to fill your candy bag. So I have that here. Let's see what we get today. All right, a number 6. I'm gonna move this stuff here. Okay, so 6 is lollipops, and for lollipops, I designated $3. So we're going to take $3 over here. All right, 6. So let me know what you all are up to. Again, today is Monday, June 10th. I hope you all had a fabulous weekend. All right, so we're rolling for this one. And we got a 6, which is right here. And so yeah, as far as house updates, I had to pay for the appraisal. Like I said, that was $600. All right, 2, 4, 6. And I think, you guys, that that's like pretty much it in terms of things I have to do. Like I asked the realtor, oops, that was a 2. What now, kind of? And he's like, you know, the bank will handle everything with the appraisal, and then you just kind of wait till closing. So just basically wait until you have to hand over all the money. So yeah, that's it. I think, you know, not too much to update on you there. The appraisal was not done yet, I don't believe. I'm assuming I will definitely get some type of report when it's done, but yeah, I don't know when that will be done or anything like that. Okay, $5 here, 2, 4, 5. And I'll tell you what, I'm nervous about the closing costs because even though my mother is so wonderfully and amazingly letting me borrow $10,000, the closing costs are going to be, I think I'll need to put up around $12,000. So $12,000 for me and $12,000 for my husband. So around $24,000. And so that means I need to come up with an additional $2,000. Yeah, I could probably ask her, but I don't want to. And I'm nervous because I've basically drained my savings, you guys. I have less than $2,000 in my savings right now because I needed to drain it to pay the deposit, which was $26.50. The inspection was, I think, $395, I think. I just took $800 out to pay my taxes, which are due June 15th, my quarterly tax payment. So my account is drained. Plus, I still have like, well, I think all my vacation money is taken out, luckily. That 1K savings challenge is technically all in the bank. Like, it's just, it has me really, really nervous. All right, this is a roll and save. And we got a 6. So, you know, I know I'll be okay. I do. I'm going to start trying to put money back into the savings as soon as possible because I, you know, don't want to have it go down to 0, 2, 4, and 6. But I am nervous. So I'm nervous about coming up with that 2,000, and then I'm nervous about having a drained savings account. In addition to that, 3. There are a couple little things that we do need to do in the house before, ideally before we move in. The main one, this is $1. The main one is upgrading our electrical service. Right now it's only 100 amp. I guess the standard is 200 amp. And so we'll have to do that. My father-in-law, who is a contractor, thinks that will be about $500 to $1,000. That's a 9. So I'll need money for that. And just all the things, you guys. So it's just money, 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 money city around here. So that's what I'm nervous about. I'm actually surprisingly not nervous about having to pay the mortgage. I mean, I don't like it, but I already looked at my budget. I'm going to be able to afford it, obviously. Otherwise, we wouldn't be buying a house. I just have to cut down my amount of spending money and things like that. But I'm just like nervous to get over this hump of paying closing costs and paying for the things that need to get done before we move in and stuff like that. So, you know, that's kind of where we're at right now. Again, our closing date is July 10th. And so I don't think really there's much more to do except just kind of wait it out. All right, another 5, 2, 4, and 5. So that's the update with the house, you guys. Number 8. But yeah, the one thing I am also not excited about is doing that unstuffing. So, you know, that's not going to be fun. And I'm just a little afraid that I won't have enough in my envelopes to take out. But we'll see. We'll work it out. I know everything's going to work out in the end. I really do. It's just right now is kind of a, you know, it's a little bit of a scary time. So, but for a good reason. For a good reason. Okay, roll and save. We got a 4. And we only have one more to go on this one. So 2 and 4. Let's see, that's a number 5. I am excited to get this binder done and be making all this progress. Ooh, this will be the last one on here, you guys. And all of this money is in the savings account, but again, I'm needing to remove money from my binders. So last resort, I'll have to take money from here, and then I'll have to figure that out because obviously, like, I'm in the middle of challenges. But some of these, like, I could erase the roll and saves and pretend I didn't do them. I don't know. We will work it out here. All right, so 3 for this one, and this one is done, you guys. Yes! So if I roll a 5, I'm going to need to roll again now. Now, I could use, like, one of my magnetic bookmarks or something to mark this as fully funded. I don't know if I will do that. Probably not. We'll see. Okay, so we got a 2, and we're back to chocolate here, and we're down to 1. So let's see what we get here. Okay, $1, and I'm sorry about the camera shaking. All right, $1. I think we could go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna go one more time and risk it. Let's see. Okay, number 3. Ooh, okay, so we have $4. Let's go. I'm feeling this corner one. I don't know. Yes, okay. $3, which means we'll have $1 left to mark on one of the roll and saves. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have $1 left. So I'm gonna go here to the back and mark a 1. And I think all of our roll and saves are complete now. This one is complete. Let's see. Oh no, we have this one left, and that might be it. Yes, that is it, you guys. So we are making so much progress in this binder. I am so excited about that. Okay. So we have $40 going in. As I said, this is just condensed. Let's put this stuff to the side and get out the money and see how much we have left. What I can do, actually, since we went ahead and completed the cookies, is I could add this up now and mark it on here for the cookies. Maybe I'll do that at some point. I don't know. All right, $40 going in. So in here now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 75, 77, 78. 178. Yes! That is a nice amount. And I'm trying to think ahead of what I want to do after I finish this binder. I might do my other binder like this, my junk food binder. We'll see. You know, what happens. We are getting pretty close. We're doing really good. Once I start finishing more of these, I may just, you know, go through the binder page by page instead of rolling. But for now, I think we're still going to be good with rolling. So I haven't gotten, oh, one scratch on this one. Okay. All right, you guys, that is it. Pretty short one today. Thank you guys so much once again for all of your support, for hanging out with me, you know, for watching till the end of the videos, for the support in the Etsy shop. I need it more than ever right now, and I just appreciate it so much. I'm so grateful for all of you, for, you know, just being my fam and just supporting me. So a huge thank you. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video, which should be an Etsy launch. Okay, bye.